Yashasvi Jaiswal shone at Edgbaston, scoring 87 runs, making him the highest-scoring Indian opener in a test match. This performance surpassed Sudhir Naik's 77 runs from 1974, reaffirming Jaiswal's growing prowess as he aims for a 2,000-run milestone. Former captain Sunil Gavaskar expressed his frustration over India's decision to exclude Kuldeep Yadav from the second test against England. With concerns over the bowling lineup, Gavaskar argued that India needed more wicket-takers, not additional batsmen, to address their performance issues. As the Indian cricket team prepares for the second test against England, a security alert in Birmingham has prompted police to advise the players to stay indoors. Despite this disruption, Captain Shubman Gill remains focused on turning the series around after losing the first match. As India gears up for the second test against England, weather conditions are a major concern. With rain expected, skipper Shubman Gill emphasizes the need for strategic flexibility. The inclusion of spinner Washington Sundar aims to strengthen India's bowling attack as they seek to bounce back from their previous loss. Hockey India has announced the India A men's hockey team for its European tour from July 8 to 20th. The squad, led by captain Sanjay, will compete in 8 matches against top European teams, providing crucial international exposure for emerging talents. The 138th edition of Wimbledon kicks off today in London, featuring top players like Carlos Alcaraz and Aryna Sabalenka. Alcaraz aims for a third consecutive Grand Slam victory after his French Open win. Matches continue through 13th July with excitement building. In a landmark event, Team England swept the inaugural World Cricket Crossword Championship in London. Mark Goodliffe claimed the champion title, with Colin Thomas and John Henderson following as runners-up. The contest highlighted global crossword talent, celebrating a rich legacy of linguistic excellence. The World Cricket Crossword Championship 2025 kicked off with an intense individual championship. Matthew Marcus of the USA emerged victorious, claiming the title. The competition featured iconic solvers and tested participants with 2 challenging grids, culminating in a thrilling battle of wits. In a historic achievement, South Africa's Keshav Maharaj became the first South African spinner to reach 200 test wickets during the first test against Zimbabwe. He led the bowling attack with 3 wickets, helping South Africa secure a strong position in the match. Former cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar emphasizes the need for KL Rahul to showcase consistency as India's senior batsman. With Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma retiring, Rahul's role is crucial. Meanwhile, Rishabh Pant's exceptional form highlights the pressure on Rahul to perform. India's javelin star Neeraj Chopra has regained his world number 1 rank, scoring 1445 points, surpassing Grenada's Anderson Peters. With consistent performances in 2025 including wins at the Paris Diamond League and Ostrava Golden Spike, Chopra is set for a thrilling showdown at the NC Classic. KL Rahul has transformed into a senior pillar of Indian cricket at age 32. With Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli stepping back, Rahul's leadership shines. His strong performances in tests and ODIs, especially during the Champions Trophy, highlight his evolution as a crucial player.